Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Microsoft Edge tabs are faded, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So it is not difficult. Basically, the main cause behind it is that this is a feature called sleeping tabs. To disable it, open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, type the word sleeping here and hit enter. Okay. Now go to performance. You'll find an option here which says save resources with sleeping tabs. Okay, turn it off. Okay, another one here is fade sleeping tabs. Turn this off too and then turn it off if you want it to go. Although when you turn this one off, it turns off both of them. So this is what will happen. Okay, but it will require more CPU resources, especially when you're using a lot of tabs. So you can decide accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.